Hi Milan, Ilya again. Milan, I want to show you again why it's not useful your tests with the Gerlinger. This is one of the most powerful double-sided tapes. Look at this. It is used everywhere where you're not able to tacker the foil, so that you have to glue it like to the metal surface. Double-sided tape. Now, normal vapor barrier. Taped. As I told you, it's one of the strongest you have. Look at this. Impossible. Look at this. Now you see the difference. There will never be the power in a house to pull the foil like this or the tape like this. All the power in the house comes from the sides and pulls the foil out just like this. That's why there is no reclamation, and that's why I won't take back the rolls. Thanks.